Hello everyone, my name is Shai, and today I'm reacting to some more Chuang 2021 second stages. Today I'm reacting to Lovebird. First and foremost, I'm sure y'all noticed I am sitting in a different area. I'm sitting right below my bed. Obviously you can see my bed in the background. I used to sit on top of there. Long story short, I was actually told that sitting there with a blanket covering my lap might be considered not polite. And in Korea at least. I'm not too sure how true it is, but regardless, I want to, be as polite as possible. So I'm changing it up a bit. So hopefully this works. If you prefer the other position better, let me know, and I will, change it up. So anyway, as per usual, Chuang 2021 second stage, I will go through who is on the team, as well as my picks at the moment. Which song is this? Lovebird. So I'm gonna get straight into this without further ado. This is Chuang 2021 second stage, Lovebird. Here we go. Ooh, I'm ready for this vibe. It seems very retro and funky. Hey! To me, it wasn't smooth. It was very rough. Like, they've barely had enough time to practice rough. I don't know if it was part of the choreograph itself, but there's some points where like the timing was off. So, like I said, I'm not sure if that was part of the choreography or not. And it's like, I don't know if it's because of how they shot it. Like I said, I've mentioned this before. Like, I'm pretty sure they probably recorded like multiple what do you call it? shots of the stage, so like close-ups, without the audience, with the audience, you know, that kind of thing. And I don't know if it was like sloppily put together, but like this stage just did not, just did not flow together. Yeah, to me, nothing really in particular really stood out. Like I said, for me, it's very rough. It's like they were just struggling, but regardless, you know, it was pretty fun. The song was fun. Obviously, the vocals were pretty good. But this is a dance stage, and that's what I was looking at the most, obviously. So that's why, you know, I was grooving in the beginning, but then obviously you saw me get a little bit more serious, because it was like, what is this stage, to me at least. So in this team, we have Huang Kun, Jiang Dun Hao, Kaylin, Hei Yi Jun, and Fan Zhenner. Okay. So, yes, as of right now, these are my picks. These are the ones that I'm keeping an eye on, the ones who I've tried to vote for lately. So I have 9, Oscar, Santa, Rikimaru, Liu Zhang, Zhou Keiyu, Lin Mo, Yi Han, Zheng Haiyin, Lai Yaozhang, Hu Yitao, Ting Long, Bo Yuan, Yu Gengyin, He Yifan, Zhang Shintei, Gang Wangxing, Li Yu, Rong Yao, Jie Yiba, Ichika, and Hiroto, and Mika. So those are the ones that are left out on my list. I know the third eliminations are coming soon, so I know I have to cross off a few names off this list soon. But yeah, honestly, really not much for me to say with this team. Kind of like I said, grooving in the beginning, but then as I was started to focus in more on the choreography and everything. For me, I don't know if it's the way they edit this particular clip or whatever. But it was very rough. It didn't flow for me. For me, it didn't the choreography was just like all over the place. Like it wasn't. Oh, what is the word I'm looking for? It wasn't consistent. That's what I mean. It wasn't consistent. Yeah, it wasn't consistent for me at least. It's very rough. But regardless, I like the song. The vocals were pretty good. But other than that, nothing special. Another kind of disappointing stage. So yeah, sorry if you like this stage. I know Kaylin got a lot of love from this stage. But to me personally, no one really in particular stood out for me. So yeah, hopefully you guys are not too disappointed with this reaction. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.